Today, I am honored to talk about the Apollo moon landing, a momentous event that marked a new era in human history. On July 20, 1969, Apollo 11 landed on the moon, turning science fiction into reality and opening a new chapter in space exploration. The Apollo moon landing was not just a technological triumph, it represented the culmination of human curiosity, ingenuity, and determination. It showed the world what can be achieved when we dare to dream big and work tirelessly towards that dream. The iconic words of Neil Armstrong, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," encapsulated the significance of the moment. This landmark achievement also had profound implications beyond space exploration. It spurred advancements in technology, some of which we use in our everyday lives, like satellite communications and numerous aerospace innovations. In conclusion, the Apollo moon landing stands as a testament to human potential. It serves as an inspiration to all of us, reminding us that with ambition and collaboration, we can reach beyond the stars. Coffee is a beverage that has not only energized individuals but also transformed societies. Coffee is not just a drink. It's a global phenomenon that has shaped economic, social, and cultural landscapes. Coffee's journey from ancient Ethiopian fields to European coffeehouses highlights its profound impact. In the 17th and 18th centuries, coffeehouses in London and Paris became hubs for intellectual and social gatherings, influencing political and philosophical discourse. They were places where ideas flourished, fostering an environment of innovation and exchange. Moreover, the coffee trade has played a significant role in the global economy. It has been a major commodity in international trade, influencing economies of numerous countries, particularly in Latin America, Africa, and Asia. The industry has also evolved with ethical considerations like fair trade and sustainable farming gaining prominence. In conclusion, coffee's role extends beyond being a morning staple. It has been a catalyst for social interaction, economic development, and cultural exchange, demonstrating how a simple beverage can have far-reaching global influence. Today, let's delve into the enigmatic world of dreams, a fascinating subject that bridges psychology, neuroscience, and even philosophy. Dreams have always been a source of mystery, inspiring countless theories and interpretations. Dreams are not just random images, they are a complex interplay of our subconscious mind. Modern research suggests that dreaming can be a way our brain processes emotions and experiences, integrating them into our memory and learning. For instance, some theories propose that dreams help us solve problems or cope with stress. Additionally, the study of dreams offers insights into various sleep disorders and mental health conditions. By understanding what happens in our brain during different stages of sleep and dreaming, we can better address issues like insomnia, sleepwalking, and nightmares. In conclusion, dreams are more than just nightly escapades of our imagination. They offer a window into our subconscious, providing valuable insights into our mental and emotional well-being. The human brain is a subject at the forefront of neuroscience. This remarkable organ, though small in size, is vastly complex and the source of our thoughts, emotions, and memories. The brain's intricate structure, composed of billions of neurons, enables us to perform a range of functions, from basic survival instincts to advanced cognitive processes. Recent advancements in brain imaging technologies, like MRI and PET scans, have allowed scientists to observe the brain in action and understand how different regions are involved in various tasks. The study of the brain has significant implications for treating neurological and psychological disorders. By understanding how the brain operates, we can develop better treatments for conditions like Alzheimer's, depression, and epilepsy. Understanding the human brain is not just a scientific pursuit. It's a journey into the essence of what makes us human. As we continue to explore this complex organ, we unlock mysteries of the mind that have intrigued humanity for centuries. Rosalind Franklin is a remarkable scientist whose contributions were crucial to understanding the structure of DNA. Her story is a powerful reminder of the impact of perseverance and dedication in scientific discovery. Rosalind Franklin's expertise in X-ray crystallography led to the famous Photo 51, a critical piece of evidence in determining the double helix structure of DNA. Her meticulous and precise approach provided key insights that were essential for this groundbreaking discovery. Yet, her contributions were initially overshadowed and only gained recognition posthumously. Franklin's work extends beyond DNA. She made significant contributions to understanding the molecular structures of viruses and coal, showcasing her versatility and expertise in multiple fields of study. In conclusion, Rosalind Franklin's legacy is not just in her scientific achievements but also in her resilience in a male-dominated field. Her story inspires future generations of scientists, especially women, to pursue their passions in the face of challenges.